Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Integration testing is a crucial part of the software development lifecycle, especially for web applications like those built with Flask. It focuses on verifying that different modules or services in your application work together as expected. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of integration testing in Flask applications, including setting up a testing environment, writing tests, and running them. Prerequisites. Before we start, make sure you have the following installed: Python 3.x, Flask, pytest for testing, flask-testing, optional, but useful for testing. You can install Flask and flask-testing using pip. Setting up a sample Flask application. Let's create a simple Flask application that we will use for our integration tests. Writing integration tests. Now, let's write some integration tests for our application. Create a new file called test_app.py. Explanation of the test code. One fixture, the client fixture sets up the Flask application in testing mode. This client will be used to make requests to the application. Two test functions. Test_create_user, this function tests the /user's endpoint by sending a post request to create a user and checks if the response status code is 201, created, and if the returned user data matches what was sent. Test_get_users, this function first creates a user and then retrieves the list of users, asserting that the response status code is 200, OK, and that the response contains the correct user. Running the tests. You can run the tests using pytest from the command line. You should see output indicating that the tests have passed. Conclusion. Integration testing is essential for ensuring that different parts of your application interact correctly. In this tutorial, we set up a simple Flask application and wrote integration tests for its API endpoints using pytest. You can expand upon this basic structure by adding more complex tests, including those that interact with databases or external services. Feel free to modify and enhance the application and tests as needed to fit your own use case.